Hi guys, this is Liz and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. So this is a good day because I'm going to do another comparison review, and this is for Katy Perry's perfume, the Katy Perry Her and Katy Perry Meow. Okay, so ito yun sila. Just a moment. And here, so this is Katy Perry Meow. This is Katy Perry Purr. Okay, so if you're excited for this comparison review, then let's start. So yes guys, ito yun sila. Okay, si Katy Perry Meow and Katy Perry Purr. Okay, so pasensya na, talagang nawala na yung isang ear ni Purr. Kasi I was in a hurry going to the office and then nasagi ko siya. So, ayun, nalaglag yung kanyang ulo. Alam mo yung feeling na kapag malalaglag na, the moment na nalalaglag na yung phone mo, na para ka mahihimatay. Ganyan yung feeling ko, nalalaglag yung ulo niya. So, parang, oh my God. Yun, buti naman at intact pa rin yung ulo niya. And as you can see, ang dami niyang scratches. Oh, lagi to siya nalalaglag, besh. Super. Palagi ko siyang nasasagi. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero in fairness, ang tibay-tibay. The same siya dito, okay? Ang titibay nila. Alright? Yes. So, let's start this review. Tingnan mo naman ang hitsura niya. Okay? Una niyan, sabihin ko sa inyo kung paano ko natuklasan ang Katy Perry. Back in 2013, my friend and I, Strawberry Kiss, I miss her. My friend and I went to Abriza Ayala Mall and chinek namin tong perfume sa Fresh Scents. Okay? So, nakita ko siya. Itong pinakauna ko nakita. Si Katy Perry Meow. Then, nandun siya sa istante. Ganun lang talaga siya. And then, alam mo yung parang yung mata niya parang, come to me, baby. Come to me. Buy me. Siyempre, sa bottle pa lang niya, di ba? Very sexy and very, na talaga sa mata niya. Aesthetically, talagang maganda siya tingnan. I mean, if I'm going to compare it to the other perfume bottles na nakahilera doon sa istanteng yon that day, ito talaga yung nakakatch ng eye ko. Tapos, ito talaga siyang una, and then, katabi pala niya ito. Hindi ko masyado napansin ito. Pero syempre, nung move na ng konti yung mata ko, nakita ko na rin siya. So, wow, ang ganda naman ng bottles nila. Tapos, doon yung picture ni Katy Perry. Okay? So, nung tinignan ko na, oh my God, magkano ito? Tanong ko yung sales lady. Sabi niya, 2,600 something. I forgot the exact price. Basta mga 2,600 something siya. Okay? So, yung, oh my God, ang ganda ng barrel. Pwede pa amoy? Inamoy ko na, ang bango. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, ano bang base notes nito? Tanong ko sa kanya, ano bang base note nito? Vanilla, ma'am, sila pareho. Vanilla pa talaga, guys. So, just to give you an idea, okay? If others love shoes, if others love watches, then I love perfume, okay? I really love perfume, and especially gourmand scents. Yung parang na kinakain, yung amoy pagkain, yung sweet, ganyan. And I love woodsy type of smell, okay? So, nung talagang sinabi nung sales lady na vanilla siya, then go ahead. Please swipe na. I'm going to buy this product. So, yun guys, so pabili talaga ako. Like, I told the sales lady, oh sige, ito na yung card ko, swipe na, okay? So, yun. Lumabas na ako sa Fresh Scents. Nag-isip ako, oh my God, tama ba naging decision ko? Nabawasan ako ng almost 2,700 sa aking bank account. Oh my God, tama ba naging decision ko? So, nung sinunod ko na siya nung work, I realized, wow, I got the value for my money. Okay? So, talagang, it was indeed the best buy of my life. Okay? And another story is, ito siya ang first perfume ko ever. First perfume na umabot ng 2,000 plus. Kasi, di ba, when we were young, or teenager, di ba, ating ginagamit ng Bambini, ganyan, or body spray ng Bench, ganon, or Pen Shop, mga ganyan. Pero nung nag-work na, syempre, ito siya ang first kong binili. And biglaan, wala sa plano. Alright? So, yun ang nangyari. And, naging masaya naman ako. This is actually my third bottle. Bus na rin siya. Third bottle ko to siya from 2013 up until now. Siyempre, marami na rin ako naging pabango. 7 years. Then, syempre, third bottle ko, hindi ko naman palagi itong ginagamit. Iba-iba rin. Okay? So, yes, guys. Ito naman si Katy Perry Pearl. Binili ko siya last year, just 2019. And binili ko siya sa isang online shop. I forgot. I will just flash the link down below. Okay? Kalimutan ko kung saan ko siya binili. It's just 2,400 something or 2,500. Nandyan din ang range ng kanyang price. Alright? So, let me tell you about their bottle, okay? So, originally, meron talaga sila mga color. Dito, it's a letter M for meow. And here is a heart shaped. It says purr. So, yeah, sa kakabagsak nito, guys. Wala na. Natanggal na yung mga color nila. Ganyan. So, yun. Pero that's okay. I'm just keeping the bottle for this. Kasi ubos na to eh. I'm just keeping the bottle kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. Oh. Para na lang din siyang collection. Here naman is, meron pa siyang laman, konti. Pumutok na yung COVID, so hindi ko na masyado siyang ginagamit. So, look at the details, guys, at the back. Meron pa rin silang buntot. Hindi yan pinakawala ng designer ni Katy Perry. Okay? Kahit yung detail na yan, talagang may buntot sila. Alright? Tapos, crystal ang kanilang mata. Talagang, they're really inviting you to purchase me. Ganun siya. Okay? So, let me tell you, ano naman ang notes ni Katy Perry? Meow. So, meron ako ditong hinanda, syempre. Pinasa ko dito. Si Katy Perry, meow, the fragrance opens or the top notes are tangerine, pear, jasmine, and gardenia. Ang heart notes are honeysuckle, lily of the valley, and orange blossom. At ang base naman niya is ang amber, vanilla, sandalwood, and musk. Okay? So, let me tell you, ano bang amoy nito? Okay, ano bang mga tangerine na yan and all? Pag inamoy mo siya, guys, kahit na wala na siyang laman, nandiyan pa rin ang amoy niya. Pag unang spray mo, talagang puputok-putok yung cotton candy. Promise. Cotton candy, marshmallow. Hindi siya caramel, okay? Cotton candy, marshmallow, that's it. Pagpasok, pak! Yun agad yung amoy. And if someone smells that, pagkakaspray mo lang, the first impression is really a delight. Talagang, ang bango! Okay? Kaya lang, the journey towards the heart and the base notes, napansin ko na from the marshmallow and the candy type of scent, nakakaumay. Parang after 30 minutes, mauumay ka sa sobrang tamis niya. As in, grabe, sobrang tamis niya. Okay? And then, after an hour, depende sa chemistry ng body mo. After an hour, darating na tayo sa vanilla, sa amber, sa sandalwood, and sa musk. My God! And then everything is now calmer, warmer. It really ends with a bang! Okay? So, it's like freshly made cookies, or if you go to a pastry shop, then it's really sweet. Okay? Yan yun siya. So, recap lang. Ang Katy Perry Meow is sumasabog-sabog talaga yung marshmallow, at the opening marshmallow, and cotton candy, which is very a good first impression. Okay? Pero as it settled down to the journey, as it takes its journey towards the heart and the base, then at the heart, it's very umay and all. But at the base, wow. Everything is perfect na. Okay? That is Katy Perry Meow. On the other hand, Katy Perry Purr, ang kanya namang notes ay ito. Just a moment. Para mas detalyado tayo. Okay? So, it opens with the scent of bamboo and gardenia, sweetened by red apples and peaches. Tapos, ang heart naman niya are rose, freesia, and jasmine. So, sa sa Katy Perry Meow, ang top notes include freesia and jasmine, right? Pero dito sa purr, sila na yung heart notes, okay? And then, ang base note ni purr are coconut, vanilla, amber, musk, sandalwood, and a lighter scent of the black orchid. Okay? So, sabihin niyo, paano yan, Liz? Pareho lang naman sila. Ang base nila is vanilla. Ano ang pinagkaiba nila? Meron talagang difference, besh. Okay? Sabi ko sa inyo kanina na ang meow is sumasabog-sabog yung cotton candy. Samantalang ito siya, si purr, is ang unang pasok is parang fruit. Talagang fruit siya, besh, dahil sa freesia. Okay? Ano ba amoy ng freesia? Parang closer to a strawberry. Minsan nga naisip ko parang yung raspberry eh. So parang may asim. Parang ganyan, okay? Asim na masarap, okay? Ayusin ko lang ha, asim na masarap. So, ano ba difference nila? Ito siya, si Meow. If you want fun, light, rainbows everywhere, pumuputok-putok na cotton candy, then that is Katy Perry Meow. You can use this at daytime talaga kasi it's very light, okay? But this is a very sensual Katy Perry Purr, okay? So pagpasok, it's flower, it's fruity, pero meron siyang something sa kanya, mga kaibigan, mga besh. It's very sensual, it's very sexy, it's darker, it's warmer, it's more mature. Kung ito is for teenager at heart, okay? Then ito mga college na. Yeah, super pang college na talaga siya or pang date night. Date night talaga to, okay? Kasi nga dahil sa kanyang, yung scent na talaga very sensual, okay? This is for nighttime. So for nighttime ko talaga to ginagamit and this is for daytime. If you're going to compare this, if you want a lighter mood, happy, then go for this. Pero kung gusto mo na parang sensual, sexy, go for Katy Perry Purr, okay? So ginagamit ko ito siya for daytime and this for nighttime. Kasi, iba sa feeling to, napakagaan kasi nito eh. Samantala si Katy Perry Purr, talagang may sexiness siyang nilalabas. It's good for party, yung sa gabi ka lalabas, party, and all. Alam niyo ba, vanilla is one of the most powerful aphrodisiac? Yes, it's very sexy para sa mga lalaki. I'm not saying all men, okay? But most of the men really loves vanilla, okay? Naaano sila dyan, okay? Yes, ganyan yan siya. So, if you are going to ask me which of this ang gusto ko, I have to be honest with you, mas gusto ko siya. Ito. I know this is my third bottle for the Katy Perry Meow. And hindi ko talaga pinansin to kasi the first smell is really parang fruit. Pero ito, unang smell pa lang, parang candy na. So, the impression is really nice. So, umabot pa na hanggang 2019. 2013 ko siya binili. Third bottle na. 2019 ko to binili. Okay? So, yon. Pero mas nagustuhan ko siya. Maybe it also comes with age. Of course, back in 2013, I was younger. Okay? So, mas bet ko pa yung ganong sense. Unlike ito na medyo mature nga siya. So, if you're going to ask me kung bibili pa ako nito kasi ubos na, I'm no longer going to buy this. Hindi ako. Nasalita ng tapos, okay? But I am no longer going to buy this bottle kasi meron akong other perfume na pang daytime na for me is hindi siya nakakaumay. Alright? Yes. And just like this. This is a body spray, Vanilla Lace. So, ginagamit ko to during daytime. Gusto yung light time lang, lalo na kapag COVID, di mo na kailangan mag-perfume. I don't use perfume during COVID, guys, kasi lumalabas lang ako for grocery. Okay, sayang yung perfume mo. So now let's talk about the longevity of these products, the Katy Perry Meow and the Katy Perry Purr, okay? Matagal ba siya? Actually, guys, sa totoo lang, hindi siya matagal. Madali siyang mawala. Madali siyang mawala sa akin, okay? Katy Perry Meow only lasts 3 to 4 hours. The same with this. 3 to 4 hours, sadly, yes. So, what I did is, nasa office pa ako, is naglagay ako ng parang sa maliit na spray nito, okay? Para pwede ko siyang dalhin sa office para pag nawala, is okay na. Like, refill na lang ako and all, magre-spray na lang ako. Did I receive compliments? Yes, I received compliments dito talaga. Pag naamoy yung marshmallow, compliment yung unang spray. Yun ang dumating na tayo sa point na nasa heart notes, na papunta na sa base notes, nakakaumay. Talagang naano ko yung reaction ng mga tao na, grabe, ang tamis, parang ganyan. Tamis, which is true, ang tamis, nakakaumay. Pero pagdating sa vanilla niya, yung base notes, patas sila, guys. Patas talaga sila. Pagdating nila sa base notes, vanilla, you can never go wrong. Talagang 2 thumbs up. Okay? Yes. Ito naman siya, guys, walang kaumay-umay. The best. Kaya ito siya yung preferred ko kesa kay Meow. Okay? Yes. So that's it guys. I hope na nakatulong man lang ako sa inyo kung mag-decide. Malay mo, meron pala akong mga friends dyan or kayo na nanonood na gustong malaman kung ano ba talagang amoy nito. Okay? So, I suggest that you can try both. Malay mo, magustuhan mo si Meow, hindi ka mauumay sa kanya. Okay? So, yeah. So, that's it guys. Thank you so much and you take care. Bye!